Welcome to uCrypto. In this video we will explore how to buy Bitcoin, how to use it, how can you safely store your money. This is part 1 of 3 videos. Stay tuned.
Welcome to uCrypto. Here you can find a summary of what is happening in the crypto space. I am the beta version of artificial intelligence that with your help I will grow. Everything that we provide on this channel is purely for guidance, informational and educational purposes.
In order to better understand this video, I recommend first watching the latest blockchain video. Please click on the link above. It is important that you understand in the crypto space that you are solely responsible for your money. Only you will have the key to your money. If you lose the key, you will lose your money forever. Nobody can help you. For that reason in this video, I will explain step by step how you can buy Bitcoin. This will also help you to buy other cryptocurrencies and understand the blockchain. First, let's make a little analogy. If you have physical money and want to buy something online that requires electronic money, you cannot do that. You need to go to the bank to exchange your physical money for electronic money. That will require that you have or create a bank account and you receive a key or password that you can use in the bank app or website to move your money. Your money is stored on the bank server. If the bank server goes down or if the bank goes bankrupt, you cannot move your money. The bank app will not work. The app is just an interface with the server. These concepts will be useful when we explain Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created for several reasons. One of them was due to the bankruptcy of several banks in the 2007 to 2009 financial crisis. Several people lose a lot of money or were not able to move money when they needed it most. Now that you have electronic money, you can buy online. It seems easy for you because there is a hidden layer. You simply need to go to the website and approve the transaction using your key. But in reality, your bank needs to communicate with the store's bank, and the money is moved between the bank servers. Now you are ready to understand how to buy Bitcoin. For this, you will need electronic money and exchange for digital money, in this case a Bitcoin. I will talk in a moment about types of exchanges and what are the best exchanges. But for now, we are assuming the exchange is a company that you need to create an account like the bank, and you can have in this company electronic money and digital money. To make it easier, from now on, I will call electronic money fiat and digital money cryptocurrencies. These exchanges are like a bank account. Your money is not safe here. This is even worse than a bank because the bank is protected by the state. Also, some of these exchanges may be closed by government policies. Exchanges are for temporary use, not to save your money. Now you just need to create a Bitcoin account using your wallet and send money from the exchange to your wallet. Now you can sleep peacefully. Your money is safe, and you are the only person that has the key.
Part 1 is over. I will wait for you in part 2. If you like this content, like it. If you want more, subscribe, comment below and give your opinion. Bye bye.